Hi friends, Mr. Sanford here. I'd like to go over your agenda for Thursday, September 24th. So the first thing that we would like you to do is to find your new pages for your notebook. They are listed with a blue heart today since it's Thursday. Those are all the color of all of our posts today. And you should see a post that says new pages. So you'll find those pages and copy and paste them into your copy of the Unit 1 digital notebook. Now, one point of clarification: as you're adding those pages to your new notebook, some students have run into trouble um, because they're clicking on the match format to this presentation option when you do that. Make sure you don't click that, and make sure you please click keep original formatting. If you don't keep the original formatting, it might change some of your slides and things are going to get real confusing. So make sure you use that today and use that going forward. Every time we add pages to our notebook, make sure you click the option to keep the original formatting. In those pages will be video notes for each of those slides. You're going to watch those and take your notes, add your notes. There are several learning checks that I'm going to ask you to do. I'm going to ask you to pause, as well as some we do practice problems that I'm going to ask you to pause and try before you get the answer. And it's pretty important that you do that. You don't want to just copy the answer down as fast as you can running through this, because you're not going to learn it that way. You need to actually try the problems before you see the answers. So make sure you do that as you go through these notes today. When you finish the notes on Classroom, you'll find a Word document with some practice problems in that, where you're converting numbers between or into and out of scientific notation. So I'll give you some practice there, and you can, oddly enough, use your calculator to help check your work today, which is what I'm going to ask you to do. And then when you're done, you're going to take an Edulastic quiz, also posted on Classroom. Learning Target 133, number 4. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to answer or do this I can statement. It says, I can interpret numbers in scientific notation as real usable values. So this is a 2.0 and a 3.0 level skill that we're going to work on here. If you get confused or need any help at all, make sure you reach out to me or Mrs. Ullrey via email or GChat. Also, remember, we have tutoring today from 2 to 3. We would love to see you there, and we're there to help you answer any of your questions. All right, thanks.